To use my favorite trick to close up the holes at a gusset, use a sharp tapestry needle. Turn to the inside. With working yarn threaded onto your tapestry needle, work around the gusset hole, lightly taking little bits from the top of each of the strands around the hole. Don't go all the way through, just the top part. We don't want to see the needle on the other side or the yarn that we're using to work around the needle. Go all the way around the hole, all the way to the ending side where you started out. In this particular case, I had a tail already, so I just threaded my tail onto my sharp tapestry needle, but you can actually use any piece of the same color working yarn. Once you're at the end, just pull this through, and I'm going to show you how this looks on the right side. I haven't closed the hole yet. That's what it looks like when you closed your hole. This is on the wrong side. You can see where that's come together. And now once that has come together, you can just weave in this end and fasten it off, and no more gusset hole.